CSL Plasma is a plasmin collection company, and they're making strides in the donation process here in Houston. They've introduced the new RICA plasma donation system to centers in our area. Here to explain what all that means is Becky Heatherman, Senior Director of Innovation at CSL Plasma. Good morning.
Good morning.
So for people who are unfamiliar with plasma donation, explain what plasma donation is and what exactly you guys are doing with these 7 centers across our area.
Gladly. So a plasma donation is quite similar to a blood donation, but it has a couple of distinct features that are different. So when a person would go to donate blood, for example, they would donate an entire bag of blood, and that process only takes about 8 to 10 minutes. But with the plasma process, we actually separate the red cells from the platelets from the plasma, and we retain the plasma part of that donation and return the red cells and the platelets back to the donor through a series of cycles. And so that process does take just a little bit longer. And the RICA donation system allows us to reduce that time and that experience for our donors.
And you expect that it would improve like comfort and safety, and I mean, how does it really apply to the donors?
Sure. So within our current process, prior to the RICA donation system, a donor might spend about 50 minutes connected to an apheresis device. With the RICA ecosystem that is developed in partnership with Terumo Blood and Cell Technologies, this donation process is reduced by about 30% of the time. So our donors spend less time with us. And during that process, they also have less blood that's outside of their body at any one point in time. So it improves their comfort and their overall feeling during the donation process.
Do you think that that would then encourage more people to donate plasma?
We do. And so we value our donors' time, and we certainly want to continue to invest in technology that makes the donation process easier and simple for our donors. CSL is the only, CSL is the only plasma company currently offering the RICA plasma donation system. And so that's a competitive option for our donors to come to us and be able to be compensated their time with us and spend less time in our centers while also making sure that we can deliver more product to our patients that are in need.
And who are those patients? Like, why would people be motivated to donate plasma?
Yeah, that's a great question. So plasma-derived therapies offer individuals that might have immunocompressed systems. Blood plasma-derived products are also used around the country and the world in operating rooms for donors for patients that might have a bleeding disorder or be undergoing some sort of operation.
Yeah. There's a little bit of confusion because so a lot of us are familiar with the blood donation sites, but so basically this is a totally different site, or what are we looking for if we're trying to come to you to donate plasma?
Yes, so CSL Plasma is a licensed FDA facility across the country. So we have blood plasma collection facilities that stand alone. So we are really only collecting the plasma portion of blood, where a blood center may collect various components of someone's blood. But when you are looking to come to us and experience the RICA plasma donation system, you would be seeking out a CSL Plasma facility in your area. We are pleased to announce and offer the RICA plasma donation system at all of our centers in the Houston area. But we have collection centers at over 40, within 40 states in the United States and Puerto Rico. We also have collection centers abroad in Hungary and Germany. And so you can check out our website at cslplasma.com to find a location near you. And if you're looking to become a brand new donor, you would expect to spend a couple of hours in our facility that first time, just making sure we take you through a health screening process, making sure that you're going to be a good, suitable candidate to come donate with us.
And then do people get reimbursed for plasma?
We do. So we want to make sure that we offer you some compensation for your time with us. We recognize that the donation process for plasma is a little bit longer than a whole blood donation. I want to mention, though, that for a plasma donor, a donor can safely donate 2 times in a week. And so we do offer compensation for first-time donors that could be up to $200 for your first 2 donations. And based on how frequent a donor chooses to come back to to us, they may make up to $700 in a month's time, which is a great way to supplement a vacation or supplement an income.
Yeah, I didn't realize that it could be that much. Becky Heatherman, thank you so much for talking to us this morning from CSL. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for having us.